Hello everyone, welcome to Tef's English Classroom. Today we are going to learn about letters and sounds of the English alphabet. Wait, do not pause and leave the video if you already know the alphabet. Great pronunciation begins with mastering the alphabet. If you check the playlists of Tef YouTube channel, you can find the playlist Pronunciation. This is the first and most important video of this playlist. Do not miss a single video of this series if you want to pronounce English words like a pro. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. Here comes the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, now let's go check out the sounds. A, as in apple. B, as in book. K, as in car. D, as in dog. A, as in elephant. F, as in flower. G, as in gift. H, as in help. I, as in ice cream. Or E, as in igloo. J, as in jellyfish. K, as in key. L, as in leaf. M, as in moon. N, as in nurse. O, as in octopus. P, as in pig. Q, as in queen. R, as in rabbit. S, as in star. T, as in tree. A, as in uncle. V, as in vase. You should be careful in pronouncing the letters V and W. When you pronounce V, which gives the sound V, your upper front teeth should slightly touch your bottom lip. V, as in vase. W, as in watermelon. When you say W, you should round your lips. W, as in watermelon. X, as in xylophone. Y, as in yarn. Z, as in zebra. That's all for today. Let's meet in the second lesson of pronunciation soon. Subscribe to Tef YouTube channel and click on the little bell icon to never miss a lesson with Tef. Enjoy!